New developments now in a case that has haunted New York City. The man convicted of kidnapping and murdering Etan Patz will not get a new trial. The 1979 disappearance of 6-year-old Etan remained unsolved for decades. In 2017, jurors convicted Pedro Hernandez of killing Patz. In 2025, that conviction was reversed. But today, the Supreme Court ruled to reinstate the murder conviction. In a 6-3 opinion released Monday morning, the Supreme Court ruled Pedro Hernandez does not deserve a new trial, finally closing the door on one of the most infamous cold cases in American history.
Today, the Supreme Court restored the murder conviction, and I hope the Patz family can breathe a little easier.
Etan Patz vanished near his New York City home in 1979 on his way to the bus stop in Soho, the first time his parents had ever let him go alone. His body was never found. Hernandez worked at a nearby convenience store at the time, but did not become a suspect in the disappearance until 2012. He confessed to the crime during police questioning, but his attorneys argued he falsely confessed because of a mental illness that caused him to hallucinate. Hernandez's first trial in 2015 ended with a deadlocked jury. During his retrial in 2017, jurors asked the judge whether they should disregard one of Mr. Hernandez's later confessions if they found that his first one was not voluntary. The judge simply responded, no. That jury voted to convict. Last July, a federal appeals court overturned the conviction, saying the judge should have given jurors the possibility of discounting all confessions.
The federal courts have a real limited opportunity to review state court decisions.
The Supreme Court's ruling reads, federal courts should not second-guess state courts under a 1996 federal law that was intended to reduce federal court oversight of state criminal trials.
It is impossible to imagine the pain of losing a child, waiting so long for justice, and then having to brace for more proceedings.
Attorneys for Hernandez said, we are firmly disappointed with the decision because we firmly believe that an innocent man is in jail for a crime he did not do. The Hernandez case is scheduled to return to state Supreme Court in Manhattan next week.
The sentence was vacated, so now the state court has to reinstate that sentence.
Hernandez is now 65 years old and will be eligible for parole in the year 2037.